you something?
Yes, sir.
We're on holiday from the Netherlands.
Are you really?
And we're wondering if my son could drive with you as a passenger.
Has he got a band, a wristband?
No, he hasn't.
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
You need
a
to go
wristband.
into the cafe.
Yes.
Or the shop next door, I think, actually. Where the cafe is, just the shop next door.
Yes.
And you need to get one of these. I think
Yes.
I don't know if it's free or £10 maybe, but yeah, it's very welcome.
Oh, that would be nice.
That's okay.
Yes?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, then we're going to buy one of those.
And just come back here. I'll be queuing up as we go round.
Yes?
You're welcome to jump in any time.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. See you soon.
All right, mate. Come on.
It's warm.
All right. Yeah, I have to put the heater on to keep the engine cool. You got your band, yeah? Good man.
Yeah. Give him a hand.
Guus.
Your name?
Guus.
Jude.
Guus.
G-U-U-S.
Goose.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Ron. Hey,
Welcome.
thank you very much.
You're welcome.
It's great. Hey. This one?
Seatbelt. Watch your head here as well. You can hold on to this.
Is that the holy shit bar? On the internet they call them that.
Say again, mate?
On the internet they call these holy shit bars.
There's my shit bar. I'll shut the window as well so you don't get all smoke in your eyes. If you can lean all the way back, you've got a camera just here, look. Just put that there.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Music channel?
YouTube.
Yes. Yeah, we're drifting on MAXX UK.
Max double X UK.
Double X UK. Yeah. Starting off a bit steady, I think.
Mag dat?
Ja, van hem wel.
Vind je dat mooi? Is wel vet?
Je moet wel goed vasthouden met standaard stoelen.
Ja. He likes it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah.
Hopefully not.
If you ever come back to the UK, anybody here would give you a ride. Just walk up and ask like you did me.
Yeah.
Very friendly bunch of people, drifters.
Yeah. We didn't know. It's,
Yeah. I mean, it's all a bit of fun for everybody. And you know, if there's a spare seat, then
Yeah.
why not?
Great. Nou, er is wel warm binnen, niet?
Ja, dat moet, anders dan wordt die te heet, de auto.
Again.